Welcome to Revit 2025 for BIM Expert. Hello friends, in this lesson we learn about Align tool from Modify panel. The concept of alignment is bring elements into line or proper arrangement based on the selected element. First I show simple example, then we practice in exercises. I draw a wall as base and draw several slanted walls to get aligned. I draw various shapes including line, slanted walls, rectangle, polygons to see how this tool works. First select wall as base. Then select the element that want to get aligned. The other option in alignment is lock. When we select lock, we apply a constraint between the elements as they are aligned. They cannot move easily, or lock prevent moving them. When you unlock, there is no dependency between them. When the two lines are perpendicular to each other, this command does not work, and only the end of the line continues. There are other examples related to slanted walls. I show you how alignment works for these tools. Let's see step by step. First base wall and then a wall that should be aligned. Pay attention to which lines you select. This time we select another face of wall. The left face will be aligned with base wall. When you align a side of rectangle, it moves and other sides get stretched. Let's see how a side of polygon can be aligned with this shape. The last example, we want to align circle with central shape, but this tool cannot be applied. For this type of shape, we can convert them to group inside an invisible rectangle. Then, the side of this rectangle can be aligned. After learning concept, now, we want to see what are the use case of Align tool. In real projects, alignment are used for several times. It is really highly practical. In this example, I show you how to align column with grids. Let's learn how to do that. One way is moving, but to do it precisely, we use alignment. Select Align tool. Then, click on first element as base, then click on second element to move and get aligned with selected element. Horizontal center line of column, get aligned with horizontal grid. Repeat again for vertical center line of column. Now we want to place this column at the intersection of grids. You see how Align tool easily puts horizontal and vertical center line of column at the intersection of grids. In another example, we want to put doors exactly in front of each other. See how this tool can help. Again, select Align. First select base door, then select the door that you want to be aligned with first one. Pay attention to this point that which lines are selected, otherwise you should repeat again. In another example, we want to put doors exactly in front of each other. See how this tool can help. First select primary door, Then select the second door that want to get aligned. Do not cancel operation if you want lock these two elements together. Otherwise, you should do from beginning. In lock mode, both elements move together. In unlock mode, elements has no dependency. We want to learn alignment tool efficiency. We practice and practice. Load and place a furniture into plan. Put them in several points. Then make them aligned. Families has centerline. They are reliable for alignment. Do not cancel operation if you want lock these two elements together. Otherwise, you should do from beginning. Make this door close to the column. Is it possible with alignment? Yes. Make this door aligned with walls and entrance. That is so interesting. Make this door close to the column. Is it possible with alignment? Yes. One more time. In the last example, place window in the correct place, exactly in front of entrance to studio unit. By moving end wall, the place of window will be updated accordingly. Now I want to show you last use case of alignment. Draw a wall and allocate a material to it. In Material Browser, check Appearance of Material, then check Surface Pattern. I need to define new surface pattern. Apply changes related to material. Go to the 3D view to see state of wall and material. For this exercise, put display option in shaded or consistent color modes. Create an opening in the wall using Edit Profile. Here, we want to align the line of surface pattern with edge of opening. Press Tab to select the lines you want. First select Baseline, which is edge of opening. Then select Line of Pattern. They can be horizontal or vertical lines. Aligning pattern has two advantages. 1. Aesthetics aspect. 2. Quantity and material takeoff, and so forth. Do alignment for vertical lines in material pattern. Look at this corner, how lines reach each other perfectly, and alignment makes it visually acceptable. Today we learned together how Align tool works. Then we employed it in project. Please follow our channel and subscribe to Learn Software channel.